If you're an investor, you would care heavily on fundamental analysis. Whereas as a day or swing trader, you probably would pay attention just to technical analysis. Now, what is fundamental analysis? What's technical analysis? What's the difference? And most importantly, should you know both of them irrespective if you're an investor or a trader? Let's get to that. Fundamental analysis is just studying a company. You see their sales, expenses, then profits, and many other things related to the performance of a company. But when it comes to technical analysis, you don't bother with any of that. Instead, technical analysis is just studying the market price of a stock. After all, stock prices generally move in cycles or a pattern, and technical analysis is nothing but making use of that pattern to find trading opportunities. Very often, indicators are as well used to find an even more accurate entry and exit for a trade. Now, an investor or long-term trader would want to know the performance of a company and then make its decision. They wouldn't see the technical analysis as it has little to do with the long-term growth of a company. However, on the stocks they find fundamentally strong, they could use technical analysis to get a better entry. Likewise, a day or swing trader need not know the fundamentals of a company. They can make trades based on just studying the price movements or using indicators on price movements, which is basically technical analysis. Again, however, knowing a bit about the fundamentals of the company is quite useful. Many traders ignore the fundamental analysis as they feel it's complicated and takes too much time. Now that is not at all true. It's very simple, and studying a quick fundamental analysis of a company doesn't even take a minute. Let me show you how it's done. Here I've used the technical analysis indicator, simple moving average, and I've found a trading opportunity here once it crosses the moving average line. But since this would be a positional trade, I might have to hold it for a month or two. So I have to make sure the fundamentals of this company is strong. In TradingView, you have everything you need on the right side tab for a quick fundamental analysis. If you scroll down, you will see here the income statement. This gives you the past 4 years performance of the company. You have the revenue, its income, which is the profit, and the profit percentage. And you will see here that the company is doing good. It has a growing revenue and profits through the years. We'll also check the quarter yearly statement, which is also brilliant. By this we know the company has good sales and profits. Now here above we have the actual earnings compared to the earnings estimated. And you'll see here that except for fourth quarter of 2019, the company has been earning more than what is expected. Alright, here above we have few key stats. One of the important stats is the PE ratio. A low PE ratio means a company is undervalued, and a high PE ratio means a company is overvalued. Generally, a PE under 20 is considered undervalued, and over 50 or 60 is considered overvalued. But it varies from sector to sector. So since Wipro belongs to the IT sector, I'll compare its PE ratio with few other IT stocks. And that's all the fundamental analysis you would need for a swing or positional trade. Whereas in the case for investing or long-term trading, your fundamental analysis would of course be needing a much more detailed study of the company. Hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please do give a like, as it would be a strong motivation for me to make many more amazing videos. Also do subscribe so you don't miss on any of the mind-blowing strategies coming soon.